Hey guys, this is Enmo from Moller Smokers, and on today's episode, we're building a Tanker 1000 for a barbecue joint in Germany. Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Moller Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered. Alright guys, episode 10. We're building a Tanker 1000. While I was rebuilding the heavyweight, some very nice folks in Germany from a restaurant called the Appalachian asked me if I could build them a big one. So here it is. Got the tank pretty much prepped. I cut the opening for the throat. I put some rebar there to stop the tank from warping. And I'm about ready to cut the doors on it. Well, the doors are cut. I've done the hinges. Started the door trim. I've done the top one and the bottom one, which is also the railing for the grates. And even though it doesn't look like it, I've done some cleaning on the tank because this one was full of oil. That's why it's black. But don't worry, we'll get rid of that. Tomorrow I'll finish the door trim. I'll fit the doors and I'll probably do the deflector. Well, today I got the door trim finished. I did all the railing for the upper grades. This is the first time I'm doing upper grades on a tanker. I hope it goes well. I also fitted the doors. I still gotta do the handles. But it's looking good. And the deflector is in place. Well, the body work is finished. I've done the handles, the door stops, both sides. And I've done all the framing for the grates, both the bottom and the top ones. Only thing that's missing is the sockets for the tail truss, but I'll do that when I cut the collector, which is already tacked and prepped. Today I got the collector done. It's looking good, welded nice and pretty. I also did the fittings for the tail truss that I talked to you about. And I'm doing the mesh now. That's a wrap up for today, folks. Next week we're gonna keep building this smoker. So you know the drill. If you like this kind of content, subscribe, leave a comment, ask any questions you want. See you on the next one.